Hello and welcome back to
the Zak
and Buzz Review. Right, what are we reviewing today?
It's another Buzz product.
Another Buzz product.
I didn't make it personally, but I bought it.
And we're going to review it.
We're going to review it. And I saw this, I've seen it, it's been on my Amazon wish list for a little while.
Oh, good, good.
Then it was reduced in price.
Yeah.
And I thought, okay.
It was tempting.
It was tempting.
It was tempting.
£15.99. So I paid £15.99.
Mm-hmm.
£15.99? £15.99p.
There we go.
Right. Got it.
Right, what is it?
It is
A box.
ta-da!
A tiny box. Pretty small box.
I've got to say, after seeing this product on Amazon, it arrived and I was underwhelmed.
Oh, oh dear. Oh no.
Underwhelmed of its size, but that doesn't mean that I am disappointed yet.
Yet. Oh, okay.
I'm looking to be impressed, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Anyway, it's the Glority Focus and Creation DJS-20. What on earth could that be?
I have no idea.
No. Well, anyway.
Well, anyway.
Should we open it up?
Yes, open the box.
Okay, because this is quite a nicely packaged
Yeah, it's
item.
a nice little box.
Yeah, nice little box. It's quite fancy.
What's inside?
Okay, what's inside? What do we got there? Can we see that on the camera? There you go. What do you think that
Looks
is?
like a wooden thing. Wood? Is that wood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's pop the box to one side. There you go. Here it is.
Right.
It is a saw. It's a folding saw.
Oh.
Okay.
So it kind of unfolds like a butterfly
like
knife.
a balisong butterfly knife, and then
Right.
it clips. There's a little clip there. Clips on the bottom. Bingo.
That's a weird looking thing.
It is a Japanese pull saw. Okay,
Right.
so it cuts on the pull rather than push, and made by, its product is Glority. It is very. Do you want to health and safety? Remember, just carefully. That's very sharp.
Yeah, I don't want to
sharp.
get cut by that.
Oh, right. So I use a lot of folding saws.
Yeah.
I've always got a folding saw in my pack, and if I'm out and about, and I've had cheap and cheerful ones.
Yeah.
And they're quite generic in their shape these days, if you're familiar.
Well, that's the thing. It's normally just like one side. It's like a handle, and then the blade flips out.
It's just like a glorified kind of penknife.
Whereas this kind of like
this is say like a balisong
like
butterfly
open, yeah.
knife. It has got wooden scales on it, and they are not riveted on. They look like
Screws?
are very, very small Allen key bolts that go in there. Yeah, it's an interesting design, and I kind of got, I thought it was quite funky. I like Japanese woodworking tools; they can be quite nice. And I thought, this is kind of pocket size, really.
Yeah,
pocket size. And I'm used to using the saws that you describe, which are kind of like your Laplander saws. I think Stihl do a folding saw. I think I've got another one which, instead of folding out, the blade comes out the handle and retracts back in. It's got a locking mechanism on it. But yeah, so I thought this would be quite a handy one, possibly just to have in a pack where you're not going to use it for anything other than kind of like wood processing, small branches, things like that, where you just want to pull out a small saw and go. What I will say though is the blade is very, very flexible.
Right.
Okay?
I mean,
so I don't know if I'm going to bend that.
Well, that's the thing. I think the promo image for this actual product kind of made it look a lot better than it actually
Feels a bit tinny to me.
Yeah.
I mean, I might be wrong. It might.
If it holds up, then great.
I kind of feel as if I was cutting through something.
You don't want to overdo it on the sawing, though. You don't want to accidentally bend it.
Well, this cuts on the pull.
Okay.
Okay, so rather than push and cut, it's a pull and cut.
Okay. I mean, some like saw blades.
I don't know why there's a hole. I don't know if you can see that hole.
Is that to hang it up?
Well, why would you hang it up? Because you surely you want to keep it folded up. Mind you, if you fold it up.
Does it?
Oh yeah, you might be right.
Does it go like that? Let's get that.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you could just
work like that.
You could stick a nail on the wall or something and just hook it up. Yeah, that's.
I like the box.
Yeah, the box.
Little storage box.
Yeah, have it. The box is.
Oh, thanks.
The box is quite a quality box.
It's magnetised.
Is it?
Yeah.
No,
It's a little magnetised box.
It's got a magnet in the box. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I like the look of this from the images, and there really wasn't any product reviews particularly on it, so I just took a punt because they'd reduced the price.
Yeah.
As a pocket saw,
I think the jury is out on it. It's going to be a lot as to whether or not it's worth it, how it performs.
and I think that's what we need to do. So let's take it
this
out.
Review outside.
Okay, so we're outside again. This time to put the Glority Focus and Creation DJS-20 folding saw through its paces. I probably won't keep it in the box, to be honest with you. Put that out of the way. I'll just stash it in a pocket, backpack. So let's just open that up. So, easily converted into a saw. Got some hazel here. Now it's got two distinctive grades of cutting edge. One coarse, one fine. So let's just try the coarse one, okay? Well, that was pretty cool. I was concerned the blade might flex, but it doesn't seem to be doing that at all. Let's try the other side. Yeah, that feels like a finer cut.
So that was the Glority folding saw.
What do you think of it?
Okay, I was expecting it to be a bit flimsy, but in practice it actually seemed to perform quite well.
Yeah, it's a little bit tinnier than I would have expected. Yeah. It looked sturdier in the photos. I still think that I would run a risk.
Possibly, if you overworked it, bended it.
But it cut through some fresh hazel really easily. Can't fault it on that. So for a small pocket saw, what do you expect? I
mean, storage wise it's really good because it's very compact and you can just literally chuck it. You can chuck it in your trouser pocket, take it out into the woods or anything. That's quite good for that.
Quite good, you know.
Because other saws, kind of like bow saws, are a lot larger.
Well, you can get folding bow saws that you need to assemble. This is very quick. Bing, bing, bing.
Bing, bing, you're done. That's good. That's good. Do you think it was worth the price you paid?
For the discount price I got on this one, yeah. It's I don't know. It's kind of a fun purchase. Let's put it that way.
I think it was justifiable given the discount.
Yeah.
If it didn't have the discount, maybe not.
I think if you're going to go for something that you want total durability with, that's going to last you for doing again general pruning around your garden, or if you're out and about, or if you're doing your bushcraft or whatever, then you probably want to go for something like a Laplander or
something a bit more
steel or something
beefier.
Like that. But just a bit of fun.
Fun little saw
for the price. Yeah.
Why not?
Give it a punt.
Treat yourself.
Yeah, give it a punt. Enjoy.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and comment below any suggestions of further reviews you'd like to see in the future.
And we'll see you in the next one.